Hello and welcome to my latest video, my new video. In this video, we're going to access pfSense on LAN interface using a host computer via Oracle VirtualBox. We're going to do some additional configuration, and we're going to, time permitting, we'll configure Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, or DHCP. And I don't think this is going to be as long as the previous video. So anyway, in the last video, we had installed pfSense onto a virtual machine, and we're actually running pfSense. The LAN interface is 172.16.1.1 WAC 16, and we're going to have to access this via a remote computer using the LAN network. So let's see, we got the Linux Mint here, and so we have general Linux Mint set up 64-bit. But the thing is, we enabled our network adapter and attached to NAT network and also fake LAN. There's several networks that we could choose, but we chose fake LAN. The reason is fake LAN is the network that we chose for the LAN in pfSense. So doing that. So we're going to power this on. And yes, so it should be powered on relatively quickly. I was thinking of doing setting up the DMZ network in this video, but I think I will do that in a separate video. So anyway, it's now booting into Linux Mint, and it should be ready to log in pretty soon. Oh, here we go. Yeah, put the super secret password. Enter the super secret password, and there, we're in Linux Mint. And so anyway, we don't have Google Chrome, so I'm gonna have to make do with Firefox. So I'm launching the Firefox web browser, and gonna have to go to 172.16.1.1, which is the LAN interface for pfSense. And if you log in for the first time, you may get a warning that certificate is invalid. That's because it uses a self-signing certificate, and you can just add that to the exception. So then you'll be good to go. And I'm going to enter the password. Admin is the administrator's account, and pfSense is the default password. So we'll just sign in. Let's accept that. And let's use the setup wizard here. Okay, says welcome to pfSense software. This wizard guide provide guidance to initial configuration of pfSense. So I'll click on next. Let's see, step 1. NetGate Global support is available 24/7. So they encourage you to sign up for technical support. Well, really don't need that, so I'll click on next. So this is general information, hostname pfSense. .com domain name. Primary DNS server. Well, this is important. Um, it needs to know that DNS is a domain name service. It operates on port 53 using the UDP protocol, but it uses TCP for zone transfers. It's the phone book of the internet. It resolves host names to IP addresses. So if you don't have this, you won't be able to do that. So I'm going to type in 8.8.8.8. That's Google DNS, and I'll type in 1.1.1.1. That's Cloudflare's DNS. So we'll do this. Please enter the time, date, and time zone. So to pfSensepool.ntp.org should be adequate. Configure WAN interface. So let's see. So we have selected type is DHCP. You could set this to a static address, but we're not going to do this because we're going to get DHCP from our internet service provider. Well, in this case, it's Oracle VirtualBox. But anyway, so we're gonna set that to DHCP. There's other configurations that, we'll go into here. Click on next. Configure LAN interface. Okay, well, the LAN IP address is 172.16.1.1, WAC 16. Click on next. Set admin web GUI password. So we probably should change that, because if not, then you have the default password, which is not really that secure. So going to type in a super secret password. Click. Would you like to remember the password? Yes. Click reload to reload pfSense with new changes. Reload is now in progress. pfSense is now configured. Check for updates. Probably won't be any updates, but see, there probably won't be any updates, but might as well check to see. And in the meantime, let's see if we can access the internet here. Yes, we can. That's although we want to see something else. Yes, still working using the DNS retrieved automatically from the firewall. And this isn't updated yet. So let's go back to system. Click on accept. And so now we see like this is one of the things about the latest version of pfSense. They use widgets. And you can add different widgets here, like you have interfaces. Yes, actually it was redundant, so let's try another one. Gateways interface. Oh, smart status. There you go. So let's try doing DHCP here. Okay, so we have configuring DHCP. So let's see, the available range is 172.16.1.0. That's too many. Through 116. 1 to 200, and this will be 100. Else, everything else will be, it'll have the default value. We can also do DHCP static mappings. So if we have a server, we can add this. Assuming that we had the MAC address, we could do that in this setting. We'll do add. We could do like could have add a MAC address and set the IP address, and you're good to go. So let's go back here. It should switch it back, so we'll do this again. 1.100 to 1.200. So do save. So yeah, changes have been applied successfully. So the next thing we want to do is add the DMZ, and we'll do that in the next video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the. Oh, by the way, if you like the video, subscribe to the video. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.